Hello, Russell Sage College community. This is Sarah Schuman. I'm the Director of Academic Support on the Troy campus. I work alongside Tracy Egan-Lasik, the Director of Academic Support on the Albany campus. I'm going to show you how to access tutoring services. You can find information about tutoring just by going to our web page, sage.edu. Hover over academics and you'll see you can get to the academic support link. Once you get to academic support, you'll see that there's a request form that you can complete or a general email where you can make requests or ask questions. Another way to get to tutoring is to go to your Sage Passport, passport.sage.edu, click into Moodle. On the dashboard, you'll find the Academic Support Tutoring tab prominently displayed right next to the Library tab. Click into it and you'll find all our helpful links. The first link takes you to our tutor services menu and a place where you can book tutor appointments. So if you're interested in receiving writing tutoring, click into writing, find a tutor you want to work with, click into the dates, find out when someone is available. For example, I have a 3 p.m. available. If you wanted this time, you would click it and then an email would generate to me, the tutor, that you wanted to book that appointment. I would reply back with a Zoom link and we would have our meeting. You can also click into classes and you will see when there are drop-in appointments. These will be updated. This is from last semester. We're updating our current list of classes, but you can see where there are drop-in tutoring sessions or study groups just by clicking into classes. You can go back to services where everything is listed out, all our different subject areas for tutoring and booking appointments. If you go back to our dashboard, the second link is our academic support request form. If you need help finding something or you're just not sure what to do, complete this and either I will get back to you or Tracy will. It's important to put what campus your classes are on so that we can allocate or let you know what resources are available for the course you're interested in. Our last link takes you to our Moodle page for tutoring and academic support. Again, you can get your FAQs answered by clicking this box. You can go into Smart Thinking, which is our online tutoring platform. I'll show you that in a minute. The request form is available here. There's also some resources that we'll be updating frequently, so check the Moodle page often. The first time you hop on the Moodle page, you have to enroll yourself, but after that, the screen will appear instantly. For Smart Thinking, if you're familiar with Smart Thinking, it's a platform where there's online tutoring that happens. Sometimes this system check comes up. Just click here to continue. You'll see that the different options at the top of the screen. If you want tutoring, you'll need to click into a subject area. You do need to notice if things are gray, available, or blue. So let's see. We're finding here that there's not much available with nursing. So I'm going to go back to, actually I'm going to try schedule a future session. You'll see when you click into a different option, schedule a future session, there's options available for nursing. Look through, click into whatever appointment that you want. So I wouldn't try drop-in for nursing, but you could try drop-in for, let's say, one of the sciences, organic chemistry. You can go right into it and do your meeting. So if you would like any help at all with Smart Thinking, please send an email to the RC academic support box or stop by one of the third floors of the libraries and visit a student worker or with Tracy or myself. we'll help you figure smart thinking out or figure out the best tutoring option for you. We look forward to serving you this semester. Have a great one. Thank you.